At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Texas involves several steps. Here's a general guide. 1. Choose a name. Select a unique name for your LLC that complies with Texas naming requirements. The name must include the phrase limited liability company or an abbreviation like LLC or LLC. Also, ensure the name is distinguishable from existing LLCs in Texas. You can check the availability of your desired name on the Texas Secretary of State's website. 2. Appoint a registered agent. Your LLC must have a registered agent in Texas who can receive legal documents and official correspondence on behalf of the company. The registered agent must have a physical street address in Texas. 3. File Certificate of Formation. Prepare and file Form 205, Certificate of Formation, with the Texas Secretary of State. You can file online, by mail, or in person. The form requires basic information about your LLC, such as its name, registered agent's name and address, business purpose, management structure, and organizer's signature. There is a filing fee associated with this step. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not mandatory in Texas, it's highly recommended to create an operating agreement. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. It helps prevent misunderstandings among members and provides legal protection. 5. Obtain an EIN. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the IRS. This unique 9-digit number is used for tax purposes and is necessary if your LLC has more than one member, if you hire employees, or if you elect to be taxed as a corporation. 6. Comply with state tax and regulatory requirements. Depending on your business activities, you may need to obtain additional permits or licenses at the state or local level. Check with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts for information on state tax obligations, and with local authorities for any specific permits or licenses required in your area. 7. File periodic reports. Texas requires LLCs to file periodic reports, also known as franchise tax reports, with the Texas Comptroller of Public Accounts. The frequency of these reports depends on your LLC's gross receipts. 8. Comply with other regulatory requirements. Depending on your business type and industry, you may need to comply with specific regulations or obtain professional licenses. Remember, it's advisable to consult with a legal or financial professional to ensure compliance with all legal requirements and to understand the implications for your specific situation. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.